Do you hear that? That is music to my ears. Good morning, everyone. Back on vlog 3. It is gorgeous out. It is raining. I live for rain and like very book aesthetic vibes. So hence why I also love fall. But today I'm supposed to be going out thrifting with my good friend Amy. We're gonna go out and shop a little bit more because I didn't really have luck in the last video where I went thrifting with Dom. I forgot to mention that. Like, I only found 2 pieces and I'm like, okay, I need to go out again. So I'm gonna give it one last try before I actually go in and buy something from Zara. So we're doing that today, and then we're also doing some fall baking and catching up. I'm so excited. I haven't baked in forever. Do I know what I want to bake yet? No. I should probably TikTok what I want to bake so I can pick up some things. But I was going to take you guys along. And yeah, I'm very excited for today. But I also washed my hair. And this rain is totally going to ruin it. So let's see how that goes. Okay, because I'm potentially trying on clothes, again, we gotta do the whole comfort thing. That's still cute. Usually when I just throw on my wool coat, it makes everything look so elevated. So just gonna stick to leggings and a crop top. Some boots. I think I'm gonna try my, you know what? No, I think I'll wear my hunter boots because it is raining. Actually, I can't do that because my girl Ocean has my hunter boots. She went to England and Scotland and just got back, so I don't have hunter boots, so I'm gonna have to do my other boots. I also still haven't eaten yet, and I have to leave in like 15 minutes, so I'm gonna scarf down some cereal just to have something in my system, and then we will be on our way. I'm gonna Uber there as well. Amy doesn't live too far from me, so I really just wanted to take the TTC and also, you know, like live that fantasy life of walking in the rain, but I just washed my hair and it just matters way more right now. Obviously the house looks so elevated with my patchouli candle. Cute. Actually $18 right now, and Amy doesn't live that far, so I'm just gonna suck it up. I'm gonna take the streetcar and then do the nice little walk. Maybe this is my sign to just do the nice rainy walk. Who knows? I might really love it. Also just got so dark in my room, but see how like the coat just makes it. I also added a hoodie because I needed a hood in case to cover my hair. And these boots I got sent to me by Nine West Canada. Gorge. I love these. I really wanted a pair of like these army sort of combat boots. Yeah, that's the look. It is heavily raining right now, but I'm still not mad about it. If you are like me, let me know, because I feel like people think I'm crazy, but I live for this. So I'm at Amy's house. You guys can meet Amy, and she is the mom of 2 bunnies, which makes me god mom. So let me show you guys the buns. Hello. Hello. Perfect. Good job, Titan. I needed that. It's good footage. It's fine. He was just telling me how she had a bit of a panic attack last night because she thought that one of her buns got into like the basement area, which is super unsafe for them, and obviously started panicking. Turns out that there's 2 of them. Turns out that this little bugger Titan was just under the couch, which is so new because she barely gets out. Like, they don't really leave this room too much, but they have like all this space. You little bugger. We're still gonna give you a banana. Got the banana. Oh, this is Karu. Okay, you first, cause okay. Shit. There you go. Good girls. Wow. The aggression on you. Crazy girl. And this is our soft little queen. She's a cutie. Oh yes, it's banana time. About to go get some ingredients for our baking date. but trying to find the keys. Nowhere. This happens to you every time. Every time.
Okay, I don't need to live.
Cool. The rain has pretty much stopped, which is good. It was like flooding on the streets about like 20 minutes ago. The colors are finally changing. It's pumpkin season. Oh, did not see that. Good call. I had no idea what you were talking about. I was like, what? I need my glasses. I do. We've made it to Common Store, which is where we are going to thrift. Hopefully we'll find some good items. Alright, I think I'm good. Secured the literal bag. I spent $3.75 on these pumpkins, and I'm so excited to put them in the house. And I find little Miss Amy wandering and looking at more plants. That's what we do. It's Grandma Core. It's super fun. Oh, this is the one that we got together. Have you tried it yet?
No, I think it tastes. Do I like it?
Yeah, it smells really good. I'm trying to sneeze normally, like sneeze better. We totally forgot to buy ice cream, so we're gonna head to the convenience store quick, buy some ice cream. Otherwise we have everything else. Ready, Freddie? Making some sandwiches, and we've got soup going. All courtesy of Amy, thank you. I am spoiled. We have the crown that's paused and we're playing music for now, and it was raining. It's the perfect vibe. I made these crackers with chorizo, pears, and brie, and then some spicy red pepper jam. Verdict?
Oh, my favorite part.
Yeah, delicious. So good. Wow, just having an aerial moment again. I warmed up mine a little bit.
Yeah.
That was really aggressive.
I like.
Bon appetit! It's so cute. First autumn baking date. Let's see how it goes. We also, I didn't have cinnamon. I guess I forgot it when I moved. So, I'll compromise with some nutmeg and extra brown sugar.
I'm sure it's fine.
It was really good.
Wow.
Yeah, it was really, I knew it.
Oh, wow. Good call. Okay.
I was like, nutmeg is the next best thing to cinnamon, so. Okay, so Amy brought her projector over. We're gonna watch Lord of the Rings. I'm so excited. I haven't ever done a projector night in my room, so I'm so excited.
No signal.
Maybe we're not having projector night in my room. Does it need like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth? No?
The world has changed.
Ooh.
I feel
What if you... Technical difficulties.
much that once was is
It
lost.
should be under HDMI 1. What the
unplugged?
Okay, so we have figured out the problem. She was using my HDMI cable for my desktop over here. And let's see. Yes. Oh my god, this is gonna be so cool. Did you want popcorn?
Or another.
What do you have?
Yeah,
Okay.
I've got popcorn.
In the fires
But we gotta pause it.
the Dark Lord Sauron forged in secret
Oh shit.
to control all. He poured his cruelty, his malice, and his will to dominate all life.
That is the end of vlog 3. Basically, to round it up, I have really great friends. I am so incredibly grateful for all the girls and guys in my life, because I swear not very many people actually spend time together the way me and my friends do. And we really like just like chilling, staying in, really bonding, spending quality time together, going for walks. Like, I think a lot of us are out of like the partying, going out stage. Like, if we're gonna spend money, we spend it on groceries so we can like make food together. Actually, Amy and I do this all the time when we hang out. Like, we rarely go out to eat, but we will make something together, either at her place or at my place, and we'll like pop on a movie. I am so grateful. Today was so great. We obviously couldn't finish Lord of the Rings, but so cool. So I really, really want a projector now. I absolutely need one for my room. That was so cool. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog.